Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Revolut stock trading feature. So let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is to log into your Revolut accounts, and then you want to navigate to the invest section, and then once you're there you want to tap stock trading, and then you can set up your stock trading accounts. Next, you got to fund your stock trading accounts. Of course, you can do that using your linked bank or credit card. And once that's done, you want to start buying and selling stocks. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Revolut stock trading feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.